How to download NBA 2K25 on your Android. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To download NBA 2K25, you need first of all to launch the Chrome browser in your device. In the search bar, type Steam. Now just search for Steam and you will be able to see the official website. Tap on it. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top you will see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and type NBA 2K25. Once you tap on it, you will see the game. Now scroll down. As you scroll down, you will see different options for how you can buy different versions of the game. There are different versions of the game with different rating and prices. You can tap on Add to Cart for whichever is more convenient for you. Then you can pay a certain amount and enjoy the game on your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.